Welcome back everyone to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to accomplish this go-to glam look using the Jaclyn Hill palette.
I love many sound productions.
First, we're going to start off by misting our skin with MAC's Fix Plus, then applying the Makeup Forever primer in Skin Equalizer. Once we've applied our primer, I'm then going to color correct my under eye and around the mouth area with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, blending that out with a dual fiber blending brush. Next, I'm using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in Y535. I'm currently using a sample, just testing out the product. It is the newest foundation that they have. So far, I do like it. It does feel nice and velvety on the skin. To blend the product out a little bit more, I'm using the Real Techniques makeup sponge to give a more airbrush finish. Once we blended out our foundation, I'm going in to highlight using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in the colors Cinnamon and Carob. Once I've applied my highlight colors, I'm going in with the Real Technique makeup sponge to blend that out. And now to set our highlighted areas, I'm using the Mercier setting powder in Translucent. Now to contour, I'm using MAC's Blunt, which is a blush, but you could also use it to contour your face. Next, I'm filling in my brows with an Anastasia spoolie and angle brush with the Benefits Brow in number 5. Once we've finished filling in our brows, I'm going in to clean that up using the MAC Select Cover Up in NC45 and for the top, Prolong Wear in NW45.
I love many sound productions.
Now, since we did skin first, I'm using shadow shields to protect our foundation from any fallout. These could be purchased at your local Walmart, Rite Aid, or even Walgreens. Once we have applied our shadow shields, I'm applying our eyeshadow base, which is a MAC Paint Pot in Layin Low. For our first eyeshadow, I'm using Mocha from the Jaclyn Hill Palette as my transition color, blending that a little bit above the crease. Next, we're taking Jacz as our crease color and we're blending that right into our crease. Once we've applied our crease color, we're going in next with Twerk on our lid. Now to add a little intensity to this look, I will be using the Abyss only in the outer V area. Here I'm just blending out that black just to diffuse the color a little bit. I highly recommend when you are diffusing the color to just take a napkin and brush off your brush just to make sure you're not accidentally spreading too much black into your crease. Alright, once you've applied your liner, I'm applying these falsies from Walgreens. These are called Little Black Dress. Once you've carefully removed the shadow shields, I'm going to go over the little spot there with my foundation brush just to blend that out. Here I'm applying a black pencil into my waterline. This is MAC's Kohl and Smolder. And then I will be smudging the bottom of my lashes with the Twerk, which was our lid color. Next, I'm taking a brush and I'm just blending over my highlighted areas with my MAC Skin Finish in Deep Dark. I'm then going in with this Bake Powder Blush by Milan in Rose Dior. It's a pretty pinkish, shimmery blush, and I feel it goes perfect with this look.
I love Renaissance Productions.
Once we're finished applying our blush, I'm going in here with MAC's Chestnut Liner, and I'm also using today Wet n Wild Just Peachy lipstick. And lastly, I'm using the Body Shop Vitamin C Face Mist to set our makeup. And here you have it, everyone, the finished look. All I'm doing now is teasing out my curls to hopefully get a perfect shot. Of course, I will be uploading pictures in the end. I always think I look weird. That awkward trying to look sexy, I guess. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at makeup_Nicole, at makeup_Nicole. See you in the next video.